What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDB, and welcome to my channel again, guys. This is gonna be my second ever video, and I'm gonna be wearing makeup.
What a joker.
For this video, if you want a tutorial, I'm not that good, so I don't know, up to you guys. So this video, as you guys can see below,
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Songs that I do get are from my friends, and they're loyal. They give me the best songs ever, you know. They give me the best songs ever to vibe to. And this is a shout out to my tribe. I'm not gonna do my makeup, y'all, but I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my. I like my lights at the back. My mom got me these lights from Wish. They're so good. I'm trying. You know what? yAlL.
In a world of old facts that overthrow blacks, queens and hijabs, queers and get backs. We sit down, kick back, sip on 6 packs, watch the world burn on telly and think that's how it is. I'm just here to push limits. Shit scared of heights, but I stay on top of the game. Say I did it. Show young black kids that you can live it, free your mind with it, proud of your feeling. I wasn't for a while, but what you selling was a product. I hadn't even touched drugs at this point, except maybe a joint. But my skin fit the description, so oink oink had to be the plug. Next day, escoto.
Machine gun, incomparable, meaning I can't be placed in between none.
Know you wrong, but show you right. All along for the night. Puppy love, butterflies, made you blush and made me smile. What you want, still wasting your time.
My backwood when I got up, yeah, like a kickback, though that shit crack, it ain't shot up, yeah, you like tacos on a drunk night, you a club night without a dumb fight, you like Roscoe's on a nigga, that's why I love you like the west side, oh yeah, fingers out the sunroof, won't you let your wings loose, look at how your stress flies, oh yeah, like the west side.
Pimps in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Killer with the B. I know killers in the street with the pill to make you fried it. Take a second. Matter of fact.
Hey, man, what's up? This Dominique from Say No 12.
What's up, Dominic?
I'm gonna hear something. Baby. What's it on from the front? What's it on from the back?
And she know what she do, what it do. Man, it ain't for herself. I'm over any time, but in the call, she 1 o'clock to a ding dong. And she right there, she know.
Somewhere, don't forget about you. They say you're the heartbreak, you just can't be true. Now make your best.
All eyes on you, asking how your week been. Working, always let me work you out for the weekend. Baby, I'm a beast.
Bitch, where?
Can you take hello, hello.
Okay, challenge. Leave your phone unlocked and right side up. Walk out the room without throwing your bitch off balance. It's either on. I don't know. Will this bitch click over for me? I mean, will this woman click over for me? Over for me? Over for me? Exit over for me? Over for me? Over for me? I don't know me. Over what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Will this bitch click over for me? I mean, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
That's the way every day goes. Every time we've no control. If the sky is blue, it's the same way you showed me. Nod my head, don't close my eyes. Halfway on a slow move. It's just the same way you showed me. In the wake of a hurricane, dark skin of a summer.
Yeah, little mama, you looking good. I see you wanna play with a player from the hood. Come holler at me, you got it like that. Big Snoop Dogg, what you want me to do?
I need to loosen up my buttons, baby. But you keep running up, saying what you gon' do to me.
Ready for action, nip it in the bud, we never relaxing. Outcast is everlasting, not passion, not at all. But see, my want to do a little acting bad. But I know y'all wanted that 808, can you feel that BASS babe? But I know y'all wanted that 808, can you feel that BASS babe?
Stretch your teeth like I never. Rap moving slow like a creep. When's the last time I asked for some help that I couldn't get from nobody else? That I couldn't get from nobody else. I'm gonna take my time. She gon' get hers before I'm on, so she can get a sensual seduction. I'm trying to do my dance, maybe 'cause you love me. I know that.